In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom Notion widgets. If you want your Notion pages to feel more dynamic, think clocks, weather, countdowns, habit trackers, or even a mini Spotify player. Widgets are the easiest way to bring that to life. The process is quick, and you don't need any coding, just a simple embed link. First, start by finding a website that offers third-party Notion-friendly widgets. A quick search for custom Notion widgets will surface plenty of options. Choose a reputable source, look for a preview so you know what you're getting, and make sure the site uses a secure connection. Many providers let you tweak colors, sizes, or time zones before you grab the code, so set those to match your workspace style. Next, locate the embed link for the widget you want. Depending on the provider, this might be labeled embed, share, or iframe. You're looking for a link or snippet specifically intended for embedding. If you see a full iframe code, that still works. Notion can handle it. Just avoid links that require sign-ins to view, because Notion needs to fetch the content publicly. With that link copied, head back to your Notion page and click where you want the widget to appear. Type /embed, then press enter. You'll see an embed block appear with a field asking for the link. Paste your embed link right into that field and click embed. Notion may prompt you to allow content from that source. If it does, confirm to continue. Give it a few seconds to load. You should see the widget appear directly on the page, fully interactive. If it doesn't show up immediately, wait a moment or refresh the page. If it still doesn't load, double check that you use the provider's embed URL and that the link starts with HTTPS. Some sites don't allow embedding, so if one provider fails, try a different one from the same category. And that's really all there is to it. Find a widget you like, copy its embed link, use /embed in Notion, paste, and you're done. As you explore, keep accessibility and performance in mind. Don't overload a single page with too many live widgets, and pick designs with good contrast so they're easy to read. Once you get comfortable, you can curate a dashboard that looks great and updates itself. Thanks for watching, and have fun customizing your Notion workspace.